So such marvels God has done. I remember one gentleman telling me how the situation here in Goa was terrible. He was struggling. He was very hard working, but it was a real struggle. So he said, I need to do something, so let me go abroad. He was just going abroad not knowing anything. But this kind of trust that he had in God made him go there, and he began to find it so difficult because there was nobody whom he knew. So he had to find a place, he had to find a job. It was a struggle, and they took advantage of this. And so he did not give up. He cried out to the Lord and he went ahead. Sometimes he felt, why did I come there? But no, he kept on working. And as the days went by, things began to become more clear. He got a better job. He got a better place to stay. And finally, he has made it. He is on top now. So he says, God makes the way when there is no way. And we all know that in our lives too, God does that. What we need to do is be firmly entrenched in Him so that He who is the way will make the way. Look at the Pharisees. They are in front of Jesus and they still have doubts about Him. They want to see signs. All the signs have been done. The impossible has been already done, and they're still looking for signs. So he says, Jonah and the queen of the south, they will condemn this generation because they lack that faith in me.